Welcome to PHP in 15 days guaranteed training course day 2. Today we are going to study about 3 very important and basic things. These things are going to lay the foundation, and if the foundation is strong, building built on this will be really strong. So pay deep attention and try to learn them. First thing we'll study today is data types, second is constants, and third one is operators. If you Google the internet or go to the php.net, you'll find there are several data types in PHP. I'm sure if you'll try to accumulate all of the data types right now, you will get confused or maybe run away from learning PHP altogether. So don't bother to understand all of those. I'm going to teach you only those data types which are most frequently used. Here are some data types that we'll study about: booleans, integers, floating point numbers, strings, arrays, and null. So before defining these types, we need to know about a built-in function. This function will help us getting the data type name on any value we'll supply to it. We'll study about built-in or internal functions in detail later on in a coming session in this string course. So getType. This is an internal function. Its purpose is just to tell us the exact type of any value we put in its parentheses. If you are unable to understand this for now, just watch me, what I do, and don't bother to understand it right away. Just focus on data type, Boolean. First data type is Boolean. This type is only true and false. These true and false are same as we have in our day-to-day life. As an example, if your answer to a question either is true or false, your examiner will tell you. So these true and false let us make some decision to do something. So for now, just keep in mind this type is true or false. So we'll ask something from PHP and PHP will tell us that is it true or false. Let's just put true in internal function. Let's go to the browser and put the path to our recent file in which we are working right now. Hit enter and no output. The reason is we didn't echo it out. Let's just echo it out and check this in browser again. Echo getType. This time you can see the type Boolean. Let's change true to false and again you can see the output Boolean. Integers, numbers. Another data type is integers. Any whole number in PHP is known as integer. These are simple counting numbers you count in your normal life like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Let's check data type for 4. Echo getType 4, and this is integer. Let's just put some br tags between these results to output them line by line. You can see here it's an integer. Floating point numbers. Let's put a fraction value in the function getType 12.1223. You can see it's double. So any value having point within it or fraction are called doubles. Strings. Now let's put some text within the getType function. getType and between single quotes hello world. This is an example of string. So anything like sentence or word or characters are strings. You must need to enclose strings within quotes, either single or double. A single character, the combination of characters or a single space between characters is a string. Also, if you don't put anything within single quotes, that's also a string. Array, collection of data. Array can be defined as a collection of data sets at one place or in one single variable. You can see in a variable we have only one value like $a equals 12. So this variable can have only one value, but within an array we can have many values. Let's create an array. Array parentheses start 12, 14, 17, 20 and semicolon. So this array is another data type.